Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do the camera shake trend on the TikTok as you can see in the video. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to go to Play Store and you have to install the CapCut application. Once you will download and install it in your phone, simply open it. I have already installed it to my phone. Once you will do it, click on the new project. Now go to the photos, upload your pictures. From here select your pictures that you want to show in the trend. Click on the add. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the picture, and once you will do it, click on the style. From here click on the picture, swipe here, and here you will see style. And once you will do it, click on the allow, and here you will see camera shake effect. Simply you have to click on the pictures, and once you will do it, you will see the effect right here. So you can add multiple picture and do the same procedure. After that you can simply go back, and you have to open your TikTok. Once you will open your TikTok, simply download any video from here by for the music. Video is saving. Once you will adjust your picture in the CapCut, simply add audio, go to the sound, and once you will do it, after that select files, extract from video. Here is your video, import sound only, add it from here, and music is here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.